holding on. We do it every day. We all about the business and we don't play. Yeah, we do this shit every day. We about that business and we don't play. Yeah, we do this shit every day and we about our business. We don't freaking play. Yeah, we do that shit our way. We about our business and we don't play. I'm like a shining star all up in the sky. Look in my face, and yeah, I'm looking high. And if I fall, I'm falling like 100,000 feet. You see me coming through, I bounce up sweet. Yeah, there's nothing wrong, my niggas so strong. We hold this shit down to the early morn. When it was stormy outside and the rain came, my niggas tried to do this shit, he almost lost his brains. I seen so many die, seen so many get locked up, doing like 25 to life. Me, I was always a good nigga, always stayed humble, and never did fumble. I never snitched on nobody, yeah, you know the deal. Always hold it down in the battlefield for my niggas, yeah. I did it for my niggas, I did it for my family, yeah, you know the deal.
Throw the towel on these niggas. We here to get it, my niggas. It's Baltimore, this Vegas. It's time for it figures. It's time for change and we get it. We live it up and we get it. It's third floor, CS, breezy in the building. Freestyling, but they say I couldn't do it. Shit, my swag is so right, man. She surely yeah, we do it. We dirt bike, riding, live it up and now it's on. We boxing these niggas undefeated, maybe ever on. Got them scared like they Pacquiao. Do my thing, I'm living it. My swag is just spit. Oh wow, got the flow to make this cash out the fucking ceiling. Baby girl, drop me down, man. She say she is the ceiling. Hey. Just playing, man. Having fun. Snino. CS, baby.
CS. Yeah. That motivation, baby. Yeah. Inspiration.